In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use effects on Instagram. Okay, so the first step would be to just launch up Instagram. Once you've launched up Instagram, you'll be on your home page. Now to go to the effects, and mainly these are story effects, you can just swipe to the right from within your home page, or you can simply tap here at the top where it says your story to go to your stories. Okay, so once you're on the stories camera, you'll notice that you have all these different icons at the bottom over here. Now these are the effects, and you can scroll through here and use the different effects. You can see they'll load up onto the camera once you tap on them, and you can just browse through them, and normally the trending ones are near the beginning of the list over there. And a nice feature about the effects is if you scroll all the way to the right really quickly, you'll see a search button. If you tap on the search button or browse button, you have the ability to browse all the different effects, and there's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of effects. And if you want to search for a specific effect, just tap that little magnifying glass at the top right hand corner there, and then you can search effects just like that. So you need to know the name of the effect. If you don't, just browse through the popular ones in the effect gallery. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.